assignment as best as you can.
Okay. Okay.
Try and use Canva for your assignments. Now, let us note. We have not started today's class, so we are just trying to sort out laptop issue. So please, if you know you have laptop issues, sorry, 1 second. So if you know between you and I that, yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Okay, after installing the XD, it says install complete. What next will I do?
After installing the XD, it says what?
It's saying XD has been successfully installed. Close. What am I supposed to do afterwards?
That means you have installed it now. That's
Like,
all.
how will I be able to use the application? How will I be able to work with it?
It should be in your start menu. You use a Windows laptop, right? Where your applications are, you should see there Adobe XD. In your Windows.
Yeah. The only Adobe I have is the reader, nothing.
It said installed successfully completed, and you said close, right?
Yes.
Now, press your do you use Windows 10?
No.
What OS do you use?
I'm coming. No, I don't know. It's on my laptop. Oh.
It's a Windows laptop, yes?
Yes.
Just press Windows button and type Adobe. Don't press any other thing. No. Just press Windows button and type Adobe. ADOBE.
Is that bringing out the? Okay, it's bringing out the Adobe XD folder. It's not yet an icon or something.
Were you able to install Photoshop on that laptop?
No, I didn't try installing it. This is not mine. Because of the space and the likes.
I'm thinking of what might be the problem, because if it has installed, it should be on the system. I don't know if you get me. So you know what you do? Try and restart the system. Maybe it will show.
Okay, should we start the system?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So that aside, the lady that wants to restart her system, please just try and restart your system. So for those that are just joining, please, I'm saying it again. If you know that you have laptop issues, your assignments are behind, this and that, please try as much as possible to use Canva to try out your assignments. Just try your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Everyone knows Canva cannot allow you make something that is perfect. So please just try Canva to do some of the assignments. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hello, everybody.
Yes.
Is that clear? Now,
Okay,
out of
sir.
those of
Thank
us in
you.
class now, How many of us were able to install XD? I just want to know.
I've installed it on my phone.
I was able to install it.
That's true.
I wasn't able.
I was able to install it.
That's
Please, the
okay.
people who were able to install it, which website did you go to? Was it the one Mr. Timilai sent or the one someone else sent?
No,
Yeah,
they
they
use
sent. They
app.
get into this.
The
I
app
used
and
That's one I used.
the link that was dropped in the
So,
group.
though my antivirus, that's my Windows Defender, blocked it, so I had to go and turn it off for it to run.
Yeah.
Turned it on back.
Please, if you have Adobe XD, right? Just go to the chat box and say you have Adobe XD. I want to know how many people we have so that we can know what to do for today's class. Please, if you know that you have Adobe XD on your system right now, go to the chat box and just signify that you have it.
Can Android version work?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Good morning.
Okay. I know what to do for us. I know how to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Is everybody listening to me? Hello?
Yes, we
Yeah.
are.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
we are.
Yes, sir.
So can everybody, so because here's the thing, we need to learn user interface design like the next 2 days, between today and tomorrow. So we need to find a way out. Now, um, so can everyone go to Google and search for InVision on your, please, this one is for laptop. So instead of using Adobe XD, because the number of people that have Adobe XD is a little bit low. So please go to Google and search for InVision Studio, right? Let me, sorry, give me a second so I can show us what exactly we are looking for. Give me 1 second, please. Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I'm going to share my screen with us now. So
Yes,
please,
sir.
so that you see what the solution is for this. Can everyone search for this in Vision Studio? This is the app we are going to use now instead of Adobe XD. Can everybody see what I searched for? In Vision Studio. Please Google it with your laptop. This is the app you are going to download now. So let me open the website for you so that you see how it looks. It's a black website. So once you scroll, you should be able to see download studio free. Can you see this button? This is what you are looking for. Hello? Can everybody see the button?
I can't see your screen, sir. Are you sharing your screen?
Me, I'm
I'm
downloading
sharing my
already.
screen right now.
Come here
You
to
can't see
your
my
screen,
screen.
sir.
Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
Sure, let me share my screen again. Can everybody see my screen now?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Should we uninstall it?
Uninstall what? Sorry,
Uninstall the Adobe
I didn't
XD.
get
Should
you.
we uninstall
No,
it?
you don't have to uninstall it. So here's the thing. Both Adobe XD and InVision, they do the same thing, yeah? But Adobe XD is just the industry standard. It's like saying Adobe XD is Samsung television, while InVision is iSense TV. You get?
Yes, we do.
Hello?
Yes.
I wanted us to learn with the best, but since the best is stressing our laptop now, let us go for the second option.
Like my class.
Did everybody hear me?
Can't. So does it mean we should? Okay, we should still download the InVision Studio even when we have the SD.
Yes, because I'm teaching with this now. Not everybody has Adobe XD, right?
Okay.
But I want to confirm if we learn this in studio, can we
My
use
battery
it?
did
Can
down.
we use the idea for Adobe XD too?
My battery did down.
Yeah,
My battery did down, beg,
yes, you
and I
can.
did this.
Because the softwares are similar. Like I said, that's why I use the television example. Whether you use
Now.
Samsung and iSense, they are similar, right? They are both television. You still almost press the same thing. It's just that they are different in a little way. That's all. Are we together?
Sorry, my own is still loading. No.
Okay.
So I'm going to send the link to the Telegram group so that we can all get it likewise. So I'm sending the link to this InVision to the group on the Telegram group so that everybody can be able to
Yes,
download
sir.
it. Yeah. So please, for those of you that had system issues, try this one. It should be able to work. Just try it, please. Did everyone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Is it an MBO?
Is what?
I said downloading is an MBO. We spent about 300 downloading XD.
I understand. The problem is that almost is not working on almost everybody's systems, and we have to continue the class.
Yes.
So we can't use what is not working. So I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
Neze, can you bring that earpiece that is on the no Kenny's earpiece now? It's on the ironing table. Please bring it for me. Yes, mommy.
Send me that message, screen grab that your message, the where they sent you.
Hi. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, after downloading it, the Envision Studio, it said something like sign into Envision. Is it what I'm to click?
Yes. Just sign up. Sign up with your email address and all of that.
Yeah, I've finished installing it, and it brought out something like a command window that is saying, having a blue button saying sign in to Envision. Is that what I'm to click?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Director, I think I can greet them. Thank you.
So basically, the InVision, it looks like this. Yeah. Once you download it and you set it up, it looks just like this, like black like this. So while we do that, give or take, we need to continue. So I'm going to go over some of the assignments and just point out with the corrections. Can we do that?
Yes.
All right, good. So I'm going to go to our assignments and see what we did and see what was good, what was bad, what was. There's nothing that is bad actually. What needs more improvement actually? Let me put it that way. Give me a second so I can open the email.
Sorry, InVision, do we need to sign up?
Yeah, you need to sign up. It's important. If you don't sign up, it won't work. And I think the InVision is like smaller. It's not that large. It's not as large as this one. I think. Sorry, guys. This is a really technical problem.
Saturday are very bad. Okay, this email, we have used one before. Okay, just write it again. Let me. If it doesn't.
Hi. Hello.
Yes, please.
I'm trying to sign up. So I got to where it's telling me, how do you want to work today, with a team or solo? So which one?
Solo.
Oh. Okay, it's up.
I've downloaded it, but it's telling me installation failed.
Sorry, I don't understand. Please.
And then after downloading it, asked me if I'm using Windows or Apple. So I chose Windows. It showed me run as admin. I said,
Okay.
I clicked yes. I clicked run.
Okay.
After a few seconds, it now brought out a box saying failed to download. Failed
You also
to install,
had
rather. Failed to install.
you had issue with XD too, right?
No, I downloaded my SD even this morning.
Wow. This is serious, bro. Who else is having issue with the InVision?
I am, sir.
What's
Hello,
the
sir.
What is the
I'm
issue?
clicking download studio for free. Nothing is coming up. It's saying JavaScript. Nothing.
Oh, which browser are you using?
Chrome.
Do you have another browser you can try?
That would be Internet Explorer. Oh,
Try
yes.
it.
So,
Try it.
okay, let me copy the address.
Hello, please, can you show your own interface? Let me see whether it's corresponding in mine.
Can
Like
you see?
just like this.
Yeah. I use an Apple laptop, so yours might be different.
Oh.
But it should be like this, like basically. Is it like this?
We are saying create new prototype freehand board.
And you're fine. Don't worry, it's fine.
Oh. Okay, because the interface is black, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Toby. Is this an online app or is an offline app?
Both. You can use it online or offline, whichever one you prefer.
No, InVision.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a bit like
You can do anyhow you prefer. You can do it
Okay, so
offline.
So if you are running it, if you go offline as you are running it, will it work?
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm running out of data, that's what I'm asking. It's
Yes.
like it's installing it. I can see from the as in the bottom screen, I can see that the green line is increasing, so it's like it's running.
Okay, good. Thank God.
Click
Okay, so
Hello, sir. Am I to save or run?
save. Then after you save, you now double click it inside your downloads.
Okay.
Did I put it in?
Where's the file? Click now. Okay.
Okay, can we all see my screen, please? While we're waiting for the stuff. Oh. Can everyone see my screen? Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, good. Now, I want to tell us the only reason why I gave us this assignment is for one thing actually. Is to teach us one thing, right? There's something called inverting of colors. Right now, if your background is dark, your text has to be light. And if your text is light, your background has to be dark. And also the other way around. If your background is light, your text has to be dark. That is the reason why I gave us this assignment. Can we see that all of us, when we're creating it, we use white text on top of a dark background? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, that's the reason
Yes.
for that. So anywhere that your background or your picture is looking darker than white, please make sure you use a white or yellow or bright colored text. If you know that your background is dark, use a white text because that's the only way to show. But if your background is not dark, please do not use a dark text. I'm sorry, if your background is light, please use a dark text. You have to reverse it so it's light on dark, dark on light. I don't know if I'm communicating. Now, look at this bottom here. Can you see that this color is white? What if the person you wrote this www dot whatever in white, will it show? Hello?
No.
If the person
No.
wrote this website in white, will it show?
No.
Exactly. That is why the person wrote it in dark colors. Now, if this person wrote this a relief support campaign by the blah 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 in black, will it show?
No.
Exactly, which is the reason why we use this design to let us know something about colors. It is dark on light, light on dark, right? That is why you hello, everybody gets that.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody understand it.
Yes.
You will understand it. Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm still trying to sign up. I don't know if it's about my email address or there's something else, but it's just not going.
But it has installed, Abby.
Yes, it has installed, but I can't open it because I need to put an email address. Like I need to sign up.
And you're clicking on sign up, it's not going.
Yes, I'm trying to put my My email address.
What is it telling you?
I'm seeing a code here. Maybe a code they'll send to my email for them to verify my email, something like that. But let me check if I've received the message
check.
in my
Check.
inbox.
Hi.
Yes, please.
Okay, please. One of the things I found difficult in the yesterday's assignment was that how to create this borderline without like finding it online. We're looking for let me say rectangular borderline.png. That's like how to create it on Photoshop. Is that possible? Just
You want to
borderline.
create a box that has a line.
Yeah, not really a box, just a borderline. Because if it's a box, that means you're talking about rectangle or something, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just borderline so that you can put this text inside.
It's still a rectangle you will draw. It's still a rectangle you draw. It's just that the rectangle don't have a color inside.
It will not have color inside.
But it will have color on the outside.
Yeah, because how do you do that? Like, it will not have color inside but have color outside.
I will show you now. Okay. I'm going to show you now.
My number on WhatsApp. Oh, God.
I think network in Nigeria is bad today.
Very, very bad.
Oh, no. Do this.
Please, can people mute their mics?
Okay, so can you see my screen? The lady that asked for the rectangle without color inside. Can you see
Yes,
this?
I can. Yes.
Okay, good. So let's just assume this is your rectangle. You want to remove the color on the inside, but you want to keep the color on the outside.
Oh,
now,
yeah.
Remember when I told you about properties, that properties will show you everything about a shape. Do you remember?
Yes.
I will go to my properties, right? You remember I told you that there's two boxes, one on the inside, one on the outside, right? Now, the first one is the one on the inside. So you just click on it and you press cancel.
Okay.
Right? The color disappears. Then you go to the second one, which is the color on the outside, and you click on it, and the color appears.
You click on white. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now I got it. Thank you.
Who else ask questions, please?
Yeah. Okay. I've been able to install it, but it's showing me something like file, edit, view, help. I don't know if I'm on the right page.
Try edit. Help. I don't understand.
Like file, like it's showing me in Vision Studio. Then there's file where they wrote file, edit, view, help. Then by the side, there's my files, examples and tutorials, and there's cloud.
Then there's a create new file somewhere, Abby.
Okay, let me. And I'm not seeing this. Okay, let me. There's what's new down. Then there's Learn Studio.
Then, what laptop do you use, please?
HP.
So what you just do is, if you want to create a new file, just go to File. You see New there. Yes,
Okay.
you're on the right app. It's correct.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Who was asked question based on previous assignment or today's InVision?
So the app, I downloaded it and I already made an account, but it's telling me I need a team, and it's not going to like make a.
It's telling you need to what?
I need to make a team.
No, solo.
It's not giving me the option.
Close the app and what laptop do you use, please?
A Windows, iPad, kinda.
Okay. Close the entire app. Open it again, and let's see what it will ask you this time.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Toby.
Yes, please.
Yeah, after downloading the InVision, so trying to open it, my laptop freezed. So I have to shut down and restart again. So it just come up now. So I didn't really see anything you did on the last assignment. So if
Okay.
there's any
No,
recap.
I was just telling us the purpose of yesterday's assignment. The purpose of yesterday's assignment is to tell us one important, right? If your background is dark, right, you cannot use dark objects to show. So, for example, can you see this one now? Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
I'm
If they
straight.
release a relief support campaign in black, will it show?
No.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm with you.
If they wrote this Women Against COVID-19 and a relief support campaign in black, will you see the
No,
text?
no, at all. It won't show.
If they wrote this www.ticradia.ng in white, will you see it?
Yes, I can see it. No. It won't show in
If
white.
they wrote it in white, will you be able to see it?
It won't show. No, it won't show.
Exactly. So that is why you put light objects on dark objects and dark objects on light objects. So if your background is white, you need to use a dark colored object like red, blue, something that will show. If your background is white and you use bright yellow text, it will not show very well, yes?
Sure.
That's what I was just trying to explain.
Thank you.
That was the purpose of yesterday's assignment, to make sure we don't make that mistake. Don't put light on light, don't put dark on dark.
Good.
How are we with the installation?
If coincidentally for me, Adobe has installed, InVision refused to install,
Hey,
to download,
it refused to download, not install,
not install, to download.
and that's network. Okay. What laptop do you use? Sorry.
Dell.
Ah, wow. Our assistants are serious, so they don't want us to succeed, though.
We'll try, we'll succeed.
We'll succeed. Against all odds, we'll still succeed.
Yes.
Our assistants cannot get us.
Hello,
Then
sir. I have
forgot to
downloaded and have
this.
installed, but it's showing saying that I should sign in.
Yes, sign in now, sign up. Everything.
So it still didn't work.
I've downloaded, but mine is not installing.
What is this saying?
Saying there's a kind of log, a book log, that I should check the book log details for details.
Told me. Is it Tommy that sent? Okay, Olua told me. Told me. So what you just do? Can you see the X up, like on top of that whiteboard? The
Yeah,
X. Yeah,
it
just
signs me out.
it signed you out immediately.
Yeah, then I have to re-sign in again.
Wow.
So it just keeps happening and happening.
That is serious. And he didn't
Hello,
ask you
sir.
for any question if you want to go solo or create a team before.
No, it didn't.
So once you click on that X, the whole app closes.
Yeah.
Okay, you've already done the email address of the team.
Yeah.
Ah. I think that would be from when you were signing up. Okay,
Even
create
when I
a team
clicked on
first.
solo, but
Let's see what it will say. Create a team first.
even when I clicked on solo, but after the thing must have set up as in ready to use, I was seeing team, my name and team. As I was asking myself, when did I click on team? Something like that.
Just create a team first. To me, let's see what it will say.
But using team and solo is
Good
any
morning,
difference?
fine, thank you.
Creating
Good
a
morning.
team and using
Hold on,
solo,
ma.
is there any
Fine, thank
difference?
That's the thing.
you. Thank
When I signed up for my
God.
own, I did solo, so I really don't know what a team will do. So that's what I want us to see.
Okay. Because mine is on teams.
I click the team and it wants me to sign up again.
This is serious. Oh yeah, sign up. Just do whatever they're asking you.
Okay.
My own it has given me several options to run. Each time I click on run, it will show me there was an error while installing the application. Check the setup log for more information. That's where I've been since.
Hey, our enemies, oh God.
It's installed just to run now. I don't know.
Okay, it's installed.
I downloaded it successfully and I clicked on it. It got to a point it asked me if I wanted to run as an administrator. I said yes. Then it's just keep going on, coming to the same point.
The same problem I'm having here also.
This is serious. Okay, give me one moment, please.
Morning, sir. Fine, thank you. Fine, no. Okay. No, it's not dramatic. He wants to do 10 permits. Police 10 permits. More what I do since I never even go police. So January. No, you have to go to police now. Yeah. You have to go to police. No, is this link I brought it? What's that? PA. Okay. I think so. I think director bought. Or she just brought. I didn't even
Igbo,
ask her.
mute your mic, please.
Hello, everybody. Okay.
Yep. I tried it again and it works now.
You've signed up for this one. What did you see now?
So it allowed me to choose between solo and team. I chose solo this time, but before it didn't allow me to choose between solo
Now
or
it's
team.
working.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now we are at a very big dilemma. Some people XD is not working. Some people InVision is not working. And the truth is, XD is the industry standard. So I will still want us to use XD, even though it is like I don't know what's happening right now. So is it possible for those of you that are having issues? Is there another laptop at home? Is there another one that can give borrow a laptop just for the next 1 or 2 days for some few hours, not the whole day, for us to enjoy this class? Is it possible?
What did you say, please? You said, is it possible for us to do what?
To get another laptop at home, like maybe your sister has another laptop, your uncle, your daddy, your mommy, anybody that has another laptop that can be used just for us to finish this training, because we are at the end already and this is the last part. I want us to get more for less instead of less for more. Do you understand this? I want us to learn 3 different things so that we know that, okay, at least you can pursue any of these avenues if you want. So is it possible?
Mine is not possible for me.
No, I don't think so. It's not possible.
Because it is just right for us to use Adobe XD, because it's the industry standard. It's just proper, because the app is like better and everything. So now even this InVision is not working on laptops. So what do we do now? Because time has gone. We have wasted a lot of time, to be honest.
Can I suggest you teach us with both? Maybe for people that have SD, they can learn SD. For people that have InVision, they can learn InVision. I don't know if
Yay,
that's
my own
possible.
has installed. My own has installed.
Okay.
You know what I did? I tried after downloading it. I put off my data. I put off my hotspots, and then ran it like that. So it came. I don't know.
You did
Maybe
what? What did you do? Sorry.
when I downloaded, because all this while I've been trying, my internet has been on my laptop. So right now, what I did was I went back to that downloaded file, put off my hotspots, and then downloaded and did. I now clicked on it again. I right clicked, open, and then I did it offline, so it came up. I don't know whether it could be because it was online. I don't know.
I'm thinking. The thing is that we don't have enough time to learn the two softwares at the same time. We don't. But they basically work the same way. Should I do that? Oh. Okay, for some of us, when you are trying to install any application, try and put off your internet and your virus. That should help.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Mine refused to. I don't know. The part I am now is in studio, file, edit, view, help.
And that means you have been installed.
Then it refused to be. It refused to enlarge. It's a full screen.
No, it's not supposed to enlarge until you create a new file.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
My own is saying installation failed. I deleted the one I installed and installed again. It's still saying the same thing, that there was an error while installing the application. That I
Did
should
you
check the
off
setup log.
antivirus on your internet?
You say?
Did you put off your antivirus on your internet?
Let me check.
Hello. Try signing up first before you try to install it. So you can sign in.
Okay. But it's showing it's just displayed the studio as if it's loading. Then it will now turn me back to installation as failed. That I should then open setup log, something like that.
That was what my own was doing initially.
How were you able to install it?
After that download, I put off my data.
Okay.
Then I went to downloads.
Okay.
I clicked on it and then right click, run it again, and then came up.
Okay. Let me try that too. Hmm.
Hello, sir.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm trying to look for solution to our problem.
There is like more people have that Adobe XD.
Wait, so more people have XD?
Yes, if you check the chat, more people have it.
Okay, you know what? Just chill. Just hold on 1 second. Then hold on. I'm trying to figure out what we do. Please, just hold on. I don't want to assume, and everybody will be lost out.
Okay. All right.
Just hold on, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Please, after installing, he's saying I should connect to the internet to sign in.
Yes, you need to.
Okay, I need to connect to the internet to sign in.
Yeah, you need to sign up and all of that. You need to.
Is we can't see what you.
You need to.
Hey, Chief, I don't know. Fine, no, thank you. Fine, fine, no. Good afternoon. Good morning. Fine, fine, no, good day.
In fact, I was expecting your call that the other time.
Okay.
Has finally installed. I'm trying to sign in.
Okay, so I'm already getting a solution that we can use for the meantime before we figure out every other thing. So please one second. So that at least we can start the class. I'm trying to look for a solution that can work for the meantime.
In this lockdown?
Yes, in this lockdown. Sir.
Try.
Please mute your microphone, please.
How valid is this
Okay. So everybody, um, can everybody hear me now?
Yes.
I
Yes,
can
I
hear
can.
you.
Now, so pending the time we sort out
Yes, finally installed.
I can hear you.
I understand, but
Okay.
not everybody has a software. So we need to move on with the class, right? So now I found a website that will allow us do what we want to do in Adobe XD, yeah, online, right? So for the meantime, we are going to be able to do it online, right? It's a website that has the same features. Now we will teach us with that, so that you can then sort out your Adobe XD problems later and continue and watch the video. And do you understand me? Hello. Are you with
Are
me?
you going to come up with a video that can put us through on how to use the XD?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. All these platforms are the same, right? They are all the same. They have the same settings. They have the same tools, right? So in this particular industry I'm trying to teach you about, they have the same tools. It's like Binatone, LG making frying pan. The frying pan is still the same. Do you understand? That's exactly where we are right now. So if you use this one online, You'll be able to use XD, you'll be able to use InVision, right? Are we together? But this one is just online. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. But
Now,
if can we still be working with you with the SD? Like instead
absolutely,
of working on okay, so
absolutely.
we'll be working
If you have InVision,
with the
you can.
SD.
If you have XD, you can
Oh,
use it. That's how simple this platform is. Do you understand me?
okay.
Good. Now, if
Thank
you know
you.
you don't have XD or what have you, please kindly go to uxpin.com. I'm going to show us uxpin. Kindly go to uxpin.com. Can you see my screen? So see to uxpin.com. Has everybody seen the website? So please kindly go there and sign up.
Please, can you spell it too? I can't see it. UX.
uxpin.com.
PIN. Okay.
Sorry, is it for everybody or those that don't have Adobe installed?
If you
Or
don't have, you can use it. If you have and you still want to follow us, you can also do that. It's your choice. But let me state it for this class. The main software for this class is Adobe XD, right? That's the industry standard. We are just using this website for the main time, right? But after this, you should restore your default settings back to Adobe XD, please. So please, everybody should sign up, please. Let's wait. Let's give everybody 5 minutes for those that don't have to be able to sign up. So basically, you should sign up, put your phone number. They will send you an SMS. Then click on Adobe XD. So they will ask you, what software are you used to? Click on Adobe XD and continue, and say create new project. Is that clear? Is everybody signing up now?
Yeah, we
Are
are.
we all supposed to sign up, or is for those that can't, that don't have Adobe XD?
Yes. Yes, please.
I
Okay,
didn't get
so
your
those
answer.
of us that has
Have you
the
all?
SD, we shouldn't bother. We should
You
work
don't
on
have to
SD.
bother. You don't have to bother if you don't want to.
No, you didn't get my question. As in, those of us that have Adobe SD, should we open Adobe SD or we should still follow you online? That's the
No,
question.
use Adobe XD, right? I'm using online because of those that don't have, right? They don't have anything. You understand? But you have something, so you can open that.
And it will give us the same effect with what you're doing, right?
They are all the same.
Okay.
Okay, so me, I'm on the platform now. I can see what do you want to start with today. Then we have new prototype, import
Yes,
sketch image or document.
new prototype, new prototype. Then it should bring you to somewhere like this.
Okay, sir. Is it on the InVision or the ST?
No, the UX pin. I'm waiting for those that want to sign up. If you have one already, like this, what they call it? If you have XD already, you don't need to come with us here.
Hello, so I've opened XD. What do I click now? It's showing me iPhone, iPad, web, custom size. Which one do I click?
Just hold on for those that are signing up on this website of the team, please.
Okay.
I'm talking about those that don't have any application. They need to use a website, so they need to sign up, please.
Okay.
What about those that have XD?
Open it and hold on.
Okay. Open XD and hold on, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
I did not say press anything, no. Just open and hold on.
Oh, okay, sir.
Are we all set up with at least one platform, either this website or Adobe XD? Are we all set up, please?
Yes, me, I'm set up. I'm waiting.
Hello, sir. Please, just
Yes,
for enlightenment purposes, please, what exactly does this XD software do?
Yes.
How is it different from the normal Photoshop?
I want everybody to open it first, then I now introduce it. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So please just chill.
So I've gotten to where it says, what do you want to do today? Should I just wait there?
What do you want to do today? New prototype.
Okay. Thank you.
Going back and forth. Waiting for something.
It's open. I've tapped clicked on new prototype, so it's open. Here.
So has everybody signed up to one platform or the other?
Yes, on UX Pin.
Okay, so can I go ahead now?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to do a quick introduction for what exactly this is. I'm sure a lot of us will be confused that what can this one do that Photoshop cannot do, right? Now, basically, Photoshop can do exactly what this thing can do, right? Now, let me just tell you what the thing is meant for. Either this platform, this one on my screen, or Adobe XD. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, we can.
Can we see my screen, please? I want to make sure we can see my screen.
Definitely.
No.
You cannot see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, chill.
We can see it.
Who said no?
I can't see anything.
Okay, chill.
Okay.
Can you see my screen now?
No.
It's not that we can't ever see it.
Can you see it now?
It was showing before, but not now.
No.
Me, I can see up. It's showing now.
No, it's showing. It's okay.
Yes, okay.
It's showing now, Abi.
Yes, it's fine. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, good. Now, so there's something called user interface design, or give or take UI UX. Now, most of the applications we use on our phone and the applications on our laptop, right? Before, I'm sure we all know it's programmers that program those softwares, right? You hear someone who say he's a programmer. Those are the people that write them.
Yes.
We all agree, right?
Yes.
Now, I want you to know something now.
Please look for my
Someone
adjuster and
now, you see those apps that we use on our phone, WhatsApp, music, Spotify, Telegram, all those apps. Now, before the programmer starts to program them, someone has to design how those apps will look like. I don't know if you understand me. Someone needs to design how the thing will look like. So, which color is it going to be? How is it going to look like? Someone needs to design it. That is what we call user interface design. Designing what it looks like. Then they now give it to the programmer, right? Then the programmer now programs the software based on your design, right? So architects design your house, then the bricklayers build it, right? Hello.
Yes, absolutely.
yes.
Build design our houses, then the bricklayers build it. Architects don't build our houses. I'm sure we all agree to that.
Yes.
Now, this is the same thing with phone applications and the rest. Now, you in this design now, you are an architect, you are designing it, and someone else is going to build it, right? Now, so we are trying to design how an app should look like. What an app will look like is what we are trying to design. How should the app look like? That is what we are basically trying to design. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Now, that is the job of all of these softwares. So for those of us using XD, I'm sure you can see some places called that is giving you different phone sizes, right?
Yes, like iPhone X, iPad,
Yeah,
web, custom.
yeah. So click on iPhone X. All of you on XD, click on iPhone X. On those of you on UX pin, can you see here canvas size on your right? Change it to iPhone X. Canvas size on your right. Those of us on UX pin, canvas size, change it to iPhone XS. Can you see it? So those of you on Adobe XD, choose iPhone X. So it should bring you something like here. Are we together now on the same page?
Yes, we are.
You can see iPhone X below canvas size.
Huh? Those of you on UX pin, use canvas size here and click on it and change it to iPhone X for those of you on Adobe XD, just select iPhone X.
Done.
Are we on the same page? Has it brought us to something like this?
Yes, yes, yes.
The only difference is that for those of you on Adobe XD, your own is color white, right?
Yes.
So for those on UX Pin, have you changed it to iPhone X?
Yes, sir.
Good. So yeah.
My interface is color white here.
On Adobe on UX Pin.
Yes, it's
Yes.
still white.
Okay.
I opened the two so that I won't be.
Yes. Sorry. My own
You
laptop.
can. My own is like that. But when you go down, you will see one box with something like setting icon. Just click there, you will see dark and white. Then you click on dark. My own was like that. I just change it now.
Okay. Okay. So everybody has something like this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, yes, yes.
My system, my laptop automatically turns everything to dark mode. Sorry. So that's why. So yeah. So basically, does it look the same on our Adobe XD? So what we are seeing right now, does it look the same? Hello, guys.
Yes.
Those of you on
Yes.
XD, does it look the same, similar? Especially the
Yes.
thing on the right. Look at the right here. Can you?
Yes.
Is it the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's the same. It's the same.
Those of you on XD, is it the same? Like mostly the same?
Mostly the same.
Yeah, not entirely because this is not
Yeah,
XD, but
mostly the same.
mostly the same, right? Exactly. So you should have understand. Can you see your tools on the left or up? They are
Yes.
mostly the
Yes.
same too. So basically, this any app that does this job, right, is a basic software. It's not a complicated design software. It's just for you to put shapes together, right? I'm sure we all know that our apps that we use on our phone, they are basically just rectangles and circles. I don't know if I'm communicating. Let me show us.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Can you all see this? My screen.
Yes, I can.
So I'm sure we all know that this is how most of our chat applications are, right?
Yes.
Basically, just your messages. Then when you open one, it shows you a chat between left and right between you and somebody. So can we all look at this now and look at it? Does this thing, is it more than circles and rectangles? Just look at it properly. Is there anything here apart from a circle and a rectangle?
No, basic shape.
No.
Huh?
They're just basic shape.
No.
No, it's
Yes,
basically
it's
circle and
just
rectangle.
circle and rectangle.
From top to bottom, is it not just rectangles and circles?
Yes, it is.
Basically, that is so it's just a combination of basic shapes to make a simple application, right? Because that's why it's very easy for us to use WhatsApp, to use Instagram, because it's just basic. Even Instagram self is just rectangle and circle, right? Rectangle showing your post, circle showing your profile picture. Finish. That's all. Everything else is rectangle, 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 right? So basically, it is now how you design it that matters, right? How you make it fine. So instead of like WhatsApp for Android now, instead of this place being white, we all know that this place is green in WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
If we can just turn this place to green, is it different from WhatsApp?
Not really.
No, it's
No.
not. It's
Not
not
really.
so different.
Exactly. We get the logic. So it's just how you design user interfaces, right? So I'm going to show us how to do. Basically, we are just going to show us how to do login and show us how a dashboard looks like, so that from there, if you now really want to move ahead with designing your own user interface, you can then look at different apps on your phone and try to practice by yourself. So, but basically, we are going to do the normal basic things first. That's what we're going to try and do. Are we together on that?
Yes.
1 second, please. Now, so for starters, when we open an app, what's the first thing we see? Login page, right? And sign up.
Yes.
Hello, do we all agree?
Yes.
The first thing we
sir.
see is login and sign in page. So I'm really going to want to use WhatsApp as an example for us in class, right? Let's just assume WhatsApp as a login and sign up page. So what are we going to do? So the first page is always having the logo of the company, right? The first page on a phone app has the logo of the company, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to put WhatsApp logo on the platform. How will I put the logo on the platform? Let me see if you remember. Hello.
You download.
Your
It is up to
your voice
us.
is breaking.
This,
Voice is
like,
breaking. Your voice is breaking.
I think it's your phone, no, because your own voice self, when you talked, it was breaking.
look
Can
at the
everyone?
site. It's up to 1,000. The picture is up to 1,000.
Hey, yes, I also want to mention one thing. Logos are smaller than pictures. So for a logo, it doesn't have to be 1,000. Hello, did you get that?
Okay.
For
Yes, sure.
logos,
Yes, sir.
it doesn't have to be 1,000 because logos are relatively smaller than pictures, right? That policy is just for pictures.
Okay.
Yes.
Noticed that this morning when I was trying to download Facebook icon.
Yeah, you see that the logos for Facebook are smaller. So it doesn't have to be
Yes.
1,000. It doesn't have to be for a logo. But for pictures, it has to be. So that person should also download a logo on their laptop, please. Download a logo that you use, please. Download a logo on your laptop. As I'm download your own so that we can start, please. Now, I will also drag and drop my logo into it. Hello. I will also see the same way you drag and drop in Photoshop. See, I will drag and drop my own logo. See, into it. Can you see that it has entered? Then I make it smaller. It's the same way with Photoshop. Make it big or smaller. But this one, you don't need to use shift. Oh. Hello? Everyone.
Yeah, we did. Yes,
This
we
one, you
we
don't need
did.
to use shift. Just drag it from the corners. Just like Photoshop. It's the same way, right? And I put it there. Can you see bam? But you need to resize it properly. You remember, manage space properly. And has everybody downloaded the logo?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Downloading.
Okay, download. I'll give us 5 minutes. At least I want us to be able to do one page before break time, please. it's just login and sign up we just want to do. We just want to put a logo, then put a rectangle, login, put another rectangle, sign up, finish. That's what we want to do before break time. So please download the logo, any logo of your choice. You can use Telegram, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, anyone you want.
Excuse me, sir. Please, can you check your message, sir? I sent you a message.
Telegram.
On this platform.
Okay. That's Mr. Odebowale, Abi.
Yes.
Hello, that's Mr. Odebowale, Abi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, can you talk to the Mr. Timilehin, please? The one is our class captain. Please talk to Mr. Timilehin.
No.
Do you understand? Chat him up on Telegram.
Hey, how am I seeing my work?
Has everyone downloaded?
Hi. Hello.
Yes, please.
Okay, is that we are not like doing doing like designing, like let me say flyer, business card
This
and
one is
we are
not flyer design, no.
so what really is this, please?
Are you just joining us?
No.
Madam, it's an interface for
No,
application.
no,
Phone.
don't worry. I wanted to know where she was so I can recap for her now. So basically, this software is different from Photoshop because it's not meant for flyer. Now, I'm sure you have WhatsApp on your phone.
Yes.
Please, now, before WhatsApp became WhatsApp, right? Someone designed it and programmers built it. So that, please, can you mute your mic, please? Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Now, when you
Very clear.
build a house, an architect will design your house and the bricklayer will build it, right?
Yes.
So before WhatsApp became WhatsApp, right? Someone designed WhatsApp, then someone built it, a programmer built it. Now, we are in the side of the designing, architect side. We are going to design the app so that a programmer can be able to build it, right? So we are designing how the app will look like. So, and I showed us an example of this. Now, does this look like something that you're familiar with, a normal chat application? Can you see this?
Okay.
Now, someone basically designed this so that a programmer can build something like this. Do you understand? So we are trying to design an interface like Instagram, WhatsApp, all those apps on your phone. They were first designed before they were constructed. Do you get?
Yes.
We are learning what they used to design them. That's where we are now. Is that clear?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, do you have your Adobe XD open?
Yes, sir.
Aha. Good. I told us to click on iPhone X. Have you clicked on it?
Yes.
Good. Do you have something like this on my screen?
Yes, I've put the logo already. I just wanted to understand the concept.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
You have to speak now.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. Has everyone downloaded their logo?
Yes, I'm pleased. Yes, please.
Yes. Okay, good. Have you placed your logo inside? Same with Adobe XD people. Have you put your logo inside?
Yes.
Good. So now we have indicated which company owns the application, right?
Yes.
Now, the next thing we want to do is log in and sign up button. I'm sure on your phone, you will see login and sign up button, right? Right?
Yes.
Now, can we all go to shape, the rectangular one, just like Photoshop? Can we all go to the shape button? XD and UXP users, can you click on rounded rectangle, not normal rectangle, rounded? Can we all see it? Is it there in XD too?
No.
We have rectangle.
Okay, XD has only rectangle, Abi?
Yes.
And good, no problem. Draw the rectangle. Use your own as rectangle. For us, draw rounded rectangle. Click on it and draw a small rounded rectangle. For you that are using normal rectangle, draw a small rectangle.
Okay, on XD, there's a dot we can use to round the rectangle after drawing.
So that dot is, can you see a dot after you created your rectangle?
Yes.
Yes, at the edges.
Yes, stretch that dot inward. You should be able to curve the edges. Did it curve?
Yes, it did. It did.
No, mine is not the dot inside.
Yeah, the
Okay.
dot inside, not the
Yes.
dot inside.
Yes. 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 Yes.
It did, Abi?
Yes.
Yes, it did.
Okay, good. Now, can we all make sure that, can we all see on your right, click on your rectangle, can you see measurements here? With W and H. Can you see W and H?
Yes.
Width and height. Now, remember that I told us that anything
Yes,
that
we
is
can
on
see
our
it.
phone, use it pixels. Do you remember? Pixels. That I said 2000 by 2000. Hello? Hello? Do you remember when I was telling us about measurement? I said pixels is for anything that we use on our phone and laptops. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
the size of this screen now is 375 by 812. So in height, it is not even up to 1000. Then in width is 375 pixels. Are we together? So can you see that your iPhone X has a measurement on the right? Now click on your rectangle. Can we see the width and the height? Can you see? What's your height in your own?
Where can we find that? We should
Click on your rectangle first and look at the right. You should be able to see some measurements.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. I'm seeing that.
Can everyone make the H of their rectangle?
My own width is 300.
I understand. Click on the rectangle and click on the rectangle and look at your right. The H, make it 50. And the width, make it 180.
It's 180.
The H, 50. The width, 180. Has everybody done?
Sir, width 180.
The H, 50. The width, W, 180. H, 50. W, 180. Has everyone done that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Good. Now, can we all see the color box a little bit down, like fill? Can we all see fill? Color box, fill. FILL. That's the color of the inside. Can we all see it?
Yes. Sir.
Now, can we all click on it? We are trying to make sure the box is a little bit lighter. This gray is too dark. So can you drag your mouse up a little to make it like towards gray, light gray? Can you see my own? We are trying to get light gray. So can everybody use just use light gray like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
Were you able to do your own?
No, when
Yes.
yes.
Click on your rectangle. Look towards your right. Look for fill on that space on your right. Look for fill.
Click on the box and make your rectangle a light gray. Just like your hello.
Yes, we're with you.
Is everybody on
Yes,
the
sir.
same page? Have you done it?
Yes, please. Yes, we are on the same page.
What time out should we go?
What was? Has everyone created their own?
Yes, we have.
Now, can everybody go and duplicate this rectangle now? Just use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Use Ctrl C and Ctrl V.
Please, I don't know what happened. My phone just went off. I stopped at the 50, 180 height and width.
Change the color of your rectangle. Click on the rectangle, use fill, and make it a light gray. That's what we did. Just follow what we are seeing.
Okay. I'm talking about the size of the rectangle.
I've done my.
You just told me the size by yourself. You said H50.
H50, W180.
Yes.
That's all. Okay, I thought I've missed it.
Hello, Mr. Toby.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Is that something you did to make your canvas? To make it like what did you do to make your canvas visible from the top to the bottom? Because I have to keep scrolling up and down to get to the bottom of my.
Okay. Are you on XD?
No, I'm on UI UX.
Oh, okay. So sorry. Press Control minus on your keyboard. That should help you zoom in and out. Control minus, Control plus. You understand? Sorry. Control minus, Control plus. That should help you zoom out.
So I don't know how to duplicate rectangle on XD.
1 second, please. Did the Control minus and Control plus work for everybody to zoom out? Control then plus, the two buttons beside number 0 on your keyboard. Hello.
Yes, it
everybody.
worked.
It worked good.
Yes,
Now, to duplicate, just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste. You should duplicate it.
It is not.
Ctrl C and Ctrl.
Yeah, I used Ctrl.
It's still having this round circles at the edges.
On the SDO.
I don't understand what you are saying. What's the issue, please?
I want to duplicate the way you said duplicate.
I said you.
Select what you want to duplicate and then Control D.
Control C.
Control C and Control V. Then
Yeah,
drag
it
the
works.
second one down. That's all.
Okay,
Just like
then
Photoshop. See, just
I
think
know.
as if you are using Photoshop.
Okay, I noticed something when I was dragging it down after copy and paste. I noticed it was giving me like figure of the distance between the first and the second one.
Yes,
So
yes,
what
that's the next thing
what
I want to
number
talk
did you
about.
check? Oh, sorry.
So you need, can anybody see figure the distance between the first and the second one on their own?
No. Yes. 28.
Yes, so make the distance 25 between the first and the second one. So just drag it below it. Is everybody on the same page?
Yes.
Is everybody on the same page, please?
Yes.
Where
Now,
do we see 25?
once I drag the second box down, a figure will start showing on the screen like a pink color. It's on Adobe XD2.
How do you wash
Yes.
hand on the SD?
There's no washing of hand here. Oh. This
I
one, there's no
can't
washing
copy
of
on
hand.
the SD. Well, I've done that on the web, but on the SD I cannot do Control C and Control. It didn't copy.
Did you click on it?
Yes, I click on it.
So when
Sorry,
you
what
see,
did you use to duplicate?
you press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, it should copy it. Then you drag the second one down, even in XD. If you don't drag the second one down, you won't know it has duplicated. Hello, are you with me, please?
Yes, even if you are trying to drag the is doing another the rectangle, that's on SD. But I'm on the same page on using the web.
I'm asking about XD.
Yes,
Is it
you
duplicated?
can
Is what
just
I want to be sure of.
Yes, it's duplicated, and I've moved.
yes.
I've also moved
On
to 25.
XD,
On
Ctrl
XD,
C
yes,
and Ctrl V.
it's
Is it
working.
duplicating? Sir,
Yes.
no, I'm talking to the man. The
Sir, sir. Mr. Toby.
yes,
It's
please.
not duplicating
Mr.
on
Toby,
the
sir.
SD.
Did anybody's rectangle duplicate in
Mr.
XD?
Toby.
Yes, please. I can hear you.
Sir, can you use Control D? Once you select and press Control D, it will duplicate also.
Yeah, the thing is, I want to see the problem why I cannot use Control D is not everybody is using Adobe XD. So I have to use something that is working for everybody so that we can all learn together. That's the problem. I know it is Control D, but if I say Control D, people that are using the website will not be able to use Control D.
But I'm using the website and Control D work there.
Okay, Control D is working. Okay, fine. Okay. So
Yes,
everybody
sir.
should, you can use Control D to duplicate, please. Use Control D. Did it work now? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
everybody.
it too worked for
Network.
me in both SD and the online own. The two worked for me.
Every other person, were you able to duplicate the rectangle so that we can move forward, please?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
sir.
I was able to duplicate it, but that thing about 25, I can't see it.
So I said the second rectangle, once you are moving it, a pink number will be showing, even in XD. A pink number should start showing. It
There
will be
are
telling
3
you
pink numbers that are showing.
they are what?
There are 3 of them that come out.
I know. It is the one that is showing between the first and the second one, the one that is a short line. You are trying to set distance between the first and the second one. That's the one we need. So you just make sure
Yes.
that it's 25. That's all. You make sure the number is 25, the distance between the first and the second one.
Just hold alternate key and go close to the circle. In between of them, it will just appear.
Once you start moving it, the numbers will start showing. So you should know when you
I'm
get to
seeing it, but
65.
I'm
You are seeing what? Sorry.
seeing different. Okay, it fluctuates from 30 to 55 to. So
It is the
if
see.
there's
Look
a
at my.
better way to make it stay
It
at
is the number.
25.
See, look at. I understand you. Eh? See, the problem is that they are different numbers because they are showing different sides, right?
Yes.
It is the number that shows between ear and ear that we need. The number in between the first and the second one.
Okay, Mr. So what I'm telling you is that as I'm moving the bottom box, it's the distance fluctuates from 30 to 55. I've not even seen 25 yet. So
Yes.
it's a
So that
struggle for
means
me
you
to
should
get
be moving it
25.
closer to 30. You keep moving it until you get 25, right? So you keep pressing it, or if you don't use your mouse, you can use your arrow to move it. Like me now, I'm using my arrow to move it. If you are using your hand, you might not get it. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Is it showing now?
I'm using the arrow, but I'm not seeing any number now.
Okay, you know what you do? In that case, use Control Plus, zoom in, and move it with your hand. You should be able to see it now. Like zoom in properly, like this. See, like this. Then you move it. You should be able to see it and control it properly.
Okay.
Is it better now? Hello?
Okay, it's better. Yes, I've done it.
Good. So what we are trying to do is, because this thing, it is measurement based. The measurement is the hard part of it. You see, the design is not difficult at all. You need to be controlling the measurements one by one. That is why we had issues with this 25, right? Because once you can be able to figure out how to run the measurements, you will not have a problem. That is why we used 80 by 130, 180 for our boxes, because all your boxes have to be the same size. If you are using profile picture now, everybody's profile picture circle is the same size. All the things in a particular app must be the same size. Everything has to be unified. That is why we'll be using a lot of duplicates. So you don't create new ones, you just keep duplicating so that you have the same. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Good. Now, you see the second rectangle. Can you change the color to the color of your logo? So if the logo that you use is blue, change it to that blue. If the logo that you use is green, change it to green. How do you do that? On the box, right? You should see an eyedropper, this thing that looks like a marker in the color picker. Can we all see it here? The eyedropper. Click on the eyedropper. Hello? Can everybody hear me?
What did you call it?
Sorry, 1 second. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, this one is not perfect, but change the.
Hi. Is that a way to like make the color the same color with the logo instead of
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. For this platform, it's quite more difficult. But for those of you using XD, there's this thing like a marker, right? If you can see it, you just click on that thing and use it and go and select the color. Can you see it on XD?
a marker?
Like, see, look at my screen. Can you see this icon?
Yes, yes.
That's what you use to select the color on the logo. So you select it and go to the logo and click on it.
Okay. Yeah, it worked.
It worked, Abby.
Yeah.
Now, for those of you using this platform, just use any color similar, because I'm finding it difficult to be able to select the marker thing for the website. it's not going through. I think on my browser it's not doing. So just select a color similar to it. But just know that once you click on the rectangle, this thing is supposed to take you to the logo and click on that color to copy it, right? Is everybody on the same page now? Have you changed the color of the second rectangle?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, we have.
Yes, sir.
I am the only one lagging behind, sir.
How come, sir?
I just joined.
You are just joining the class.
I was in a clinic before.
Oh, I said you should talk to Mr. Timileyin, please.
Yes, I already signed in. I'm referring to the class now.
Okay.
I just drew my rectangle. I'm not sure maybe what I did is right or not.
Okay, but are you using Adobe XD or are you using this website?
I'm using XD.
Okay, so draw your rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is H. Look to your right. Click on the rectangle. Look to your right. Make sure that the H is 50 and make sure that the W is 180.
Done, sir.
Then change the color. Look for fill. Scroll down. Look for fill. You should see fill. Color fill. 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 Change the color to light gray. You're able to change it.
Yes, sir.
Then duplicate that rectangle. Press Ctrl D.
Done, sir.
Then drag it down a little. Drag it down until you see 25. Like you'll be seeing some colors or some numbers. Can you see it?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Can you see some? Duplicate it, then drag the second one down a little. Can you see some number suggestions on the screen?
No, sir.
While you drag the second one down, it should show you some number suggestions on the screen. While you drag it down, as you are dragging it down.
Yes. I can see 54, 48, and the like.
Yes, so that number, the distance between the first and second one should be 25.
25. Okay.
Please mute your mic. Please.
After break.
Mute your mic, bro.
Okay, so you have been able to create the two rectangles, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, all we need to do is write sign in and login, right? So the first one, you go to the first box and write sign in there. You click on the text tool. Click on the text tool.
Okay.
On your left, everybody click on the text tool. Then you make sure that your text, can everybody see my screen? Have you typed it?
Yes, sir.
Has everyone typed it?
What should we type, please?
Sign in, sign in.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So type it, click on your text, make sure it is centralized. So scroll down on your right, you should see some plenty options.
Small letter or capital letter? You can't see what you typed.
See.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you see it? So
Yes,
click on your text. Now look at my screen. Make sure that see the justification. Make sure it's justified to the center. See, make sure it's justified to the center, and make sure that the font size is bigger a little. So maybe 20. Yeah, 20 is fine. And drag it to the middle of the rectangle. Once you are dragging it, it will be giving you suggestions on where the middle is. And make sure it's size 20 or so, and make sure it is centralized. Right? Then once you write that one, write another one on the second box and say sign up.
Sir, mine is not centralizing.
Click on the
Sir?
text. click on highlight the text and go to centralize. Then once you centralize, you then carry it to the middle again, like this. Can you see? It will give you suggestion on where the middle is.
Okay, let me try. Yeah.
Were you able to do it?
No.
Please, sir, where did you change the font size?
See, on your right, scroll down. You should be able to see some typography settings like Microsoft Word. Were you able to see it? Then centralize. You see align center. Can you see it?
It's
Centralize
not
it.
moving, no.
Is not going to move yet. Centralize it first. Then after centralizing, you will then carry it to the middle. See, carry it to the middle. The thing will tell you when you are in the middle. Have we all done it? It won't just appear in the middle. You will be the one to carry it to the middle, please.
Yeah, done.
Is it working?
It has not done, you.
Yes, it works.
What is the issue, please?
It's not moving, sir.
Click on your text and carry it. Is it moving to anywhere at all? Is it moving at all?
Go and meet your mommy.
It's not moving at all. It's on centralized 20. It's not
Sorry,
moving.
sorry, what are you using? Are you using XD?
Are you using XD?
Yes.
Okay, try and click on the mouse, that mouse tool, that's the first tool on your left. Click on it first, then try and centralize. When you highlight your text, you see just
it's
done, right?
moving now. But it's upside down now.
It depends on the way you moved it then.
Let me back.
So press Ctrl Z to go back, then carry it again.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I can see you have a ruler.
I'm just using
on your
this
page.
life. Sorry, I didn't know.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I can see you have ruler on your page, but mine is not showing.
Are you using the website or are you using XD? Huh? Hello.
I'm using XD.
I'm using a website to teach us, right?
Okay.
I'm using a website to teach all of us that are using XD and the website. If you have XD, you might not necessarily see a ruler, right?
Okay.
So has everybody written the sign-in?
Yes, I've signed in.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, click on your text tool and write the second one, sign up. But highlight the text and change the color of the text to white, just like you do in Photoshop. And the same thing, put it in the middle.
So I've still not been able to centralize it.
So click on the text. Once you have finished typing, click on the first tool and use that tool to move it. Is it working now?
No. No, I'm doing wrong.
Have you clicked on okay, you know what you do? Type another one. Click on the text tool, type somewhere else, right? Then once you have finished typing, use the first tool, the mouse tool, the first one like an arrow. Then use it to move your text to where you want it to be. Can you do that? How about now?
No, I think it's the okay. I've been able to centralize. Let me change the paint. If you, I'm able to centralize the green.
The green, the box, or the text? Which one?
The text. How do we remove the? How do we color it? How do we paint it?
Your text.
Yes.
Highlight your text with the text too. Once you highlight it, you should be on where you see your font size and all of that. You should see the color box, just like Photoshop. Click on it. You should be able to change the color. Fill. So, were you able to do it now?
I'm not able to do it. So.
Were you able to move the first one?
What? I've not been able to move the first one. I've been able to move the second one. It's just the first one that's remaining.
The same thing you did for the second one is what you do for the first one. Just move them. The thing will guide you. There are some guidelines on your screen. They will guide you to move. See, for example, if I'm trying
It's
to move now, can you
flipping
see
it.
there's eh?
It's flipping it upside down.
I said if it's going to flip it, zoom in, Control Plus, so that you can see what you're moving properly. Then you
Okay.
move.
Control Plus.
The one that flipped, you don't need it again. You have to delete it. Type again. Then try and move it this time. How about now?
Nothing.
Excuse me, sir. Hello? Hello, sir. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you now. Please, I can see you have a WhatsApp icon on the page.
Yes.
I don't know how you get that, sir.
I said everybody should download any logo of their choice online and drag and drop the logo into the platform or your Adobe XD.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Like you're doing in Photoshop, just put any logo on your design.
Thank you, sir.
So the lady that we're waiting for, please, have you been able to move the text?
Yes, I have.
Is it moving now?
I copy and pasted it. I cut and pasted it.
And is it moving now?
It's okay. It's central.
Are you sure?
No, it's not really central. Like it's close to the middle.
So the thing is, it's supposed to centralize. Here's the thing. Once you move something, are you seeing some lines on your screen?
Like the sign is boxed. Then there's one round circle under it.
Round circle. No, so here's the thing. Just look at my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Anytime you move something, are you seeing lines like this?
Mm,
You are not.
I am. I'm not seeing lines like this now.
Anytime you are trying to move something, can you see lines like this on your screen?
Yes.
Those are the lines to tell you that you're already in the center. Like for example, now I'm not in the center. Can you see there's no line in the middle of WhatsApp? If I move
Yes.
towards the center, can you see there's a line now in the middle showing me that I'm in the middle? That's what it means by centralized.
Okay. Okay. Oh, my WhatsApp is not in the middle. That's one of the reasons.
So you move everything to the middle. That's what we mean by centralized. So you move them, those guidelines will guide you towards the middle.
So how will you move it in other applications? It should.
You will move with your mouse. You will click
I
and
don't have
move.
a mouse. I'm using my laptop keypad. I don't have a mouse.
Oh, so there's no mouse.
Yes, I'm using the laptop mouse.
It's the same thing we are talking about. There's a
I
mouse.
can hear. I can hear somebody saying that girl that I was talking that day.
No, sorry.
You have a trackpad here.
Yeah. Eh?
So it's your trackpad you use, right? You first
Okay.
left click, hold on to this thing, and you move it, right? That's the same thing I'm also using now. You click, then you move. You right click, sorry, left click, then you move. Can you see the button on your left on your mouse?
Yes.
Yes, you first use it to hold your WhatsApp, like you click, hold it down, then use your trackpad to be moving. Is it moving now?
No.
Push it with your hand.
But we can move on now. Whether it's at the middle or not for her, she can just follow up. We've been doing this for close to 20 minutes now.
So no. So here's the thing. This is what we want to do before break time. This once you have done this is the first page of an application. We just want to make sure everybody's on the same page, right? Not everybody's on the same page with us. We can't assume for everybody. Because if she doesn't get it now, she won't probably not get it. Do you understand me?
So I will carry on, sir. I will
No,
go over it again. No, the whole class can be waiting for me.
but this is the thing we are supposed to do. This is the first screen on an app. And when you open an app, this is the first thing you see for you to sign up, for you to log in. So this is what we want to first do, just to make sure everybody understands how it is done. Once we are done with that, then it's break time.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
So as we're waiting for her, I noticed something on the UX pin. I was able to, because from your own, the edges of the rectangle is a bit curved.
Yes.
It's not sharp.
That's
But
because I
on
told us
the
to use rounded
sorry.
rectangle. I told us to use rounded rectangle. That's why it's already curved.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but in this other one, there's no rounded rectangle.
Yes, because they don't have it. So once you draw a rectangle, you will see a dot inside the box.
Okay.
That's what you drag to curve it.
I've tried it, it didn't work. That's actually why it's telling me.
But can you see the dots?
Yes, the white dots.
So you will drag that dot inward. Inward. You drag it inward, like inside, like as if you are dragging it into the box. You should be able
From
to
the edge, as in the four corners of it.
Yes.
It worked. It worked.
Exactly.
So it's just resizing it for me.
Yeah.
No, the dots you drag is not the ones at the edges. The dots you drag
Not the
is the
edges,
dots
oh.
inside.
There's tiny dot you will just see
Inside
the
the
box.
rectangle.
Yes. That's what you drag.
Hello.
Yes, please.
I can go on now. I've sorted it out. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
All right. So that's break time. So everybody can come back by 1:10.
Okay.
Hello. You
It's
cannot
Hello.
110. Okay.
cannot call back by 1:10. Thank you very much.
All right.
Excuse me, sir. Before you go, I can see that you have a white rectangular background before you put your logo and the two rectangles. Did you draw that one as well?
You don't need to draw it. It just comes as default, white.
Okay, mine is not white. Oh, it's like light blue.
It's light blue.
Yes. The
Did you
page.
make, did you make it light blue, or when you opened it, it came as light blue?
Yes, when I opened it, I saw it like that.
Is it Adobe XD?
Yes, yes.
Light blue.
Yes. I can only, on your page as well, this first one, that is the only thing I can see. This first one, this big one.
This
Not,
one.
no. Move it away from that. This page, yes, this one.
So here is light blue.
The same color like this. I'm not sure. Is this one light blue? It's not even light blue, but it's not white.
Okay, can you do something for me? Can you press Ctrl minus to zoom out?
Control minus. Okay.
Like
Done.
keep pressing it.
Okay.
Do you have a white box in the middle of your design?
No, sir.
There's no box.
No box at all. Maybe the way I log in, I don't know. Maybe the way I launch.
Did you click on iPhone X when you opened the Adobe XD?
Yes.
And it didn't bring you a white box like this.
It can be.
No. Maybe let me I will close it now and relaunch it.
Close it and probably open iPhone X again.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So everybody can go for break. Please come back by 1:10. Thank you.
Please, I did
Thank
not
you, sir.
sign attendance, so I was locked out. By the time I
It's on
came
the
back, I
chat.
did not see it again.
It's on the chat.
Please talk to Mr. Timileyin. He's the class captain. He's the one in charge of the attendance.
It's on the chat already.
What?
The attendance is on the chat.
Please just talk to Mr. Timileyin if you have issues with the attendance. Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Hello, sir. Hello?
Next up, Webby and Jude. Those two can barely stand each other, and that's what a perfectly instinct team is You're tapping too much. No, I'm not. Well, it's not moving by itself. Where are you? It won't